Is the sun 93 million miles away? Or is it a few thousand miles away? Or is it just a few feet away above the tree line in this photo? We will talk about sunbeams and crepuscular rays and how they do not prove a close and local sun. A sunbeam is a beam of light that appears to radiate from the sun's position. It shines through openings in clouds or in between other objects such as mountains or trees. These beams of particle-scattered sunlight are separated by darker shadowed volumes. Even though they appear to radiate from the sun, the beams are parallel lines of directly sunlit particles separated by shadowed ones. Their convergence in the sky is an illusion from the perspective of the observer. Same principle that works on converging train tracks towards a vanishing point, as you can see here. Crepuscular rays are sunbeams that originate when the sun is below the horizon during twilight hours. Crepuscular rays are noticeable when the contrast between the light and dark are the most obvious. Dark areas are shadows caused by mountains or clouds. Flat Earthers claim that converging sunbeams toward the sun prove a close and local sun. That is not true. These sunbeams are parallel but appear to converge toward the sun due to perspective. The sun in this photo gives the illusion that it is just above the tree line, only a few feet away. We know the sun is 93 million miles away. This photo is an illusion of a close and few feet away sun. Again, this is an illusion that beams converge toward the sun. These rays are parallel in reality. Note the parallel nature of the beams when viewed from above the clouds. Let's see what Phuket Word has to say about sunbeams. Warning: ensure you have face palm protection nearby before watching this next segment.
Hello Flat Earth researchers, debaters and debunkers. Take a look at these crepuscular rays from the sun appearing to be just above the clouds there, and consider what this observation really fits with. I'm on a beach in Phuket, and as you can see, it's getting on towards the evening. The sun will go off in that direction. Now, of course, we're told that we live on a globe and sunrises and sunsets occur because the Earth is spinning. And we're also told that the sun is hundreds of times larger than the Earth. And so the light shining on the Earth should be, wider than the Earth. It should be rays of light coming to the Earth that are much, much wider than the Earth itself.
What about this picture?
So if we just look at the way we've got the sunlight hitting the cloud there, and then the sun is going off.
Looks parallel from above.
In that direction, a kind of it's not shining down through. Over there, it is shining down through the clouds, and we've got this kind of dispersal.
Like this?
Yeah.
See the local sun fail away on the failboat. Earth is so small and sun is so large that the rays coming from the sun is practically parallel when it hits the Earth. This photo makes the sun appear right out my window. As I pointed the camera toward the sun, you get the converging rays of sunlight toward the sun. When we change positions and look from the side, the parallel nature of the rays are obvious. The view from above and out of the way of the sunlight, they still look parallel. When aiming the camera towards the sun, note the converging sunbeams toward the sun, but in reality they are parallel. Again, when viewed from the side, as you can see here, they are clearly parallel due to perspective of the observer. Here's a diagram of two different views, one looking directly into the sun and one looking from the side. This does not mean the sun is close, small, and local. Again, this is an illusion. Conclusion: you cannot measure the distance to the sun by triangulating sunbeams or crepuscular rays due to the perspective and position of the observers observing the beams.